Hi everyone, and welcome to this full 2025 guide on how to filter and find contacts in HubSpot. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step so you can manage your contacts more efficiently, whether you have a small list or thousands of entries. First, open your browser and go to hubspot.com. On the homepage, click the login button and sign in with your HubSpot credentials. This is the essential first step to access your account smoothly. Once you're logged in, navigate to the CRM section. This is the central hub where you'll manage your customer relationships and interactions, making it one of the most important tools in HubSpot. Inside the CRM, click on the Contacts section. Here you'll see all of your client and lead entries in one place. For businesses with a large number of contacts, scrolling through this list can feel overwhelming, which is why filters are so valuable. Now, look for the More button at the top of the Contacts page. This is your gateway to the advanced filtering tools. Click on Advanced Filters. Here you can refine your search by applying different criteria. For example, you can filter by email address, company name, contact owner, life cycle stage, or other custom properties. These options allow you to zero in on exactly the contacts you need, instead of browsing through the entire list. Once you apply your chosen filters, HubSpot will instantly display only the contacts that match your criteria. This makes it much easier to organize data, follow up with the right people, and target specific groups for campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully filtered and found contacts in HubSpot using the Advanced Filters feature. By mastering this tool, you'll save time, stay organized, and improve your client communication strategy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more HubSpot tips and tutorials.